What's up, YouTube? So this video is about it's a quick video about allowing native what we would call them weeds, but allowing native plants to grow and allowing them to go to flower to draw or to attract pollinators. Now, pollinators of the pollinators of my area and the pollinators of each and every one of y'all's individual areas, they're they've adapted to different kinds of varieties of plants over time. So like you can see these big bees here, I'm pretty sure that they're used to this weed here that is pollinating. And you can see how many blooms are all over. Now I've been trying to find where this weed is coming from. It's a vine, but I'm not sure, but it's obviously drawing in these bees because a couple weeks ago I was trying to pull this weed, but it grows so fast and vigorous. This is the weed right here. This is what I was seeing 1 to 2 weeks ago before it started flowering, and now that it's flowering this week, look what I see. Big bumblebees. I mean, there's a family of them here. I've had sunflowers here and everything, and they're just beginning to come. And it's because of these this native vine. I do wanna, I'm gonna go on Google and try to figure out what variety this is, what species this is, but this is definitely a vine right here that they're pollinating, and I'm telling you, it's stretching all over. And it is catching every bloom. All these blooms opened up this morning, and they closed the same day. So they open and close the same day. Feels like a type of satin, the flower. You see it has a 5-star shape to it. So the bees are loving it. Big bees. So yeah, guys, allowing native plants to flower would definitely draw the native pollinators in your area. So what I'm basically doing is allowing my native plants, or the native plants of my area, to draw the native pollinators of my area. See, I have some sunflowers and stuff. They were working their magic. Now they're beginning to dry out. But so the things that are naturally accommodated to this area, they have a longer bloom season than things that aren't naturally accommodated to this area. So this will bloom for a long time compared to any other variety that I might bring out here. The bees, they also love the dandelions in the area. There's a dandelion field behind my garden, and when that's in full bloom, they also love that. So yeah, guys, just gonna finish enjoying this site, these pollinators, these humongous pollinators. And y'all have a good one, guys.